Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my left here, you're looking at one of our tea displays. Okay, this is going to be one of our brand new items. This is going to be a 3-in-1. As you can see, you have 3 compartments, which is pretty much like a decoration. You can add this to your restaurant or your business. Tea display, you can use it for tea, or maybe another use. You have an idea of something else, but you know, just to display what product you have, you can display it to your customers. In this case, we are referring to tea as our example. Now, as I mentioned, this is a 3 bottle in 1, and I'm just gonna go ahead and measure this for you. You're looking at 13.5 inches of the length, and you're looking at about 4.5, and they stand at about 16 inches high. Okay, so they're 3-in-1. You obviously can add more if you want to go ahead and add more to your space. Now, if you're interested in one of these units, for more information, you can go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on these units on the website, including the price for this exact display. Now, if you have any other questions regarding this unit, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.